Welcome back to we can make it on waffles. So I haven't made a video in like fucking a month and 0.73 days. Ignore the squeaky. Gotta be loyal to my 10 subscribers. No need to brag. Pretty much up there with PewDiePie. But we're gonna make blueberry waffles. We're just gonna ignore my dirty ass toaster. Let's wait, focus. Alright, we're good. Where the fuck's the dial? Oh, it's right here. If you didn't know, tip of the day. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are minutes, not heating temperatures, as some idiots think. I was one of those idiots. But we're gonna try 2 minutes. Oh, shitty. Oh, look at that. Alright, we could make this from a 3-star breakfast to 7 stars if we have bananas. We're just gonna see. Nope. Apples and avocados. Bell peppers. Jalapenos. Tomatoes. No fucking bananas. Alright. Improvise. What else can we use? What the fuck? Hey, Lamau. Alright. We have syrup. Cause I think the one we used to have is like 80. Oh, it's gone. We can put peanut butter, but no, I prefer syrup. Don't mind me just stalling for 2 minutes until this these waffles are done. Alright. Oh! You heard that? Fucking beautiful. Pretty good. I mean, they smell good. Fuck it! Alright. So we're gonna plate this shit. Watch me become a Iron Chef GOS real quick. Fuck. We're in there, we got it. Right. So plating. There's multiple designs. We're gonna do the basic drizzle. Okay, basic drizzle. What you're gonna do is you're gonna do above, place, and the other one, place. Oh, there's a hair. Ignore that. Oh shit. Might close my restaurant now. And then obviously is a basic drizzle. Oh yeah. Unless you have OCD like me, you could fill every hole. That's what she said. Oh, that's what he said. A lemon. I wonder if I could top it off with any of these. Well, shit, I got wafers. One hand it is. Wafers probably don't go with this, but fuck it. How can I? First, we should probably split it. I'm just gonna do this and this. There's my Instagram picture. Beautiful, 10 out of 12. Alright. Well, that's the. Oh, wait, can't end the video there. I have to fucking try it. So, we got ourselves a beauty fork. Oh, look at that crunchiness. Perfect. Not really perfect. And you're gonna go straight through that design. And semi-warm. Thanks for watching. Every Wednesday. Just kidding. That's never gonna happen.